Hello viewers, today I'm going to show you an application which offers premium features for MacBook, iMac, and Mac Mini. But before that, what do you consider truly catastrophic for your Mac? Is it accidentally emptying trash? Mac not booting up? All videos gone corrupt? All photos turned damaged? Or storage drive failing? To be honest, such events are super disturbing. But what if I told you that you can resolve these issues within your budget and without compromising your data? Sounds unreal? Well, Stellar Data Recovery Premium for Mac is an exclusive software that resolves most of such issues without needing technical skills. With a premium tool by your side, you can recover lost or deleted data, boot a crashed Mac system, fix damaged videos, repair corrupt photos, and back up your storage device. Here's how it works. Select the file types. Scan a storage media. Recover your data. Upload corrupt videos and photos. Start the repair. Run a surface scan on your drive. If needed, back up the drive. Doesn't it look easy? It is actually. Nonetheless, if you wish to run premium data recovery tool on multiple Mac systems, then we suggest using Stellar Data Recovery Technician for Mac. It performs all functions of the premium version on up to 3 Mac systems. Hope this video helped. Avail the trial version now.